Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you how to create the daily news article generator template on FlowHunt. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's start by adding our components. The first component we should add is the AI agent, which acts as the brain of the flow. Before moving on to other components, we can enhance the AI agent by adding chat memory, making our LLM context-aware. You also have the option to change the LLM if desired by adding the LLM component. The AI agent needs tools to extract data, so let's start adding various tools to give it a wide reach for finding news. First, we can add the YouTube search tool, which will search for the latest news on YouTube. Next, we can add the Google search tool, which will search Google for related news. This will be our main source of data. After that, we need to add the URL retriever so the LLM can extract content from the related links. We can also add the DALL-E image generator to create a thumbnail for our news article, though this step is optional. Next, we should give the agent a prompt. To do this, click on the tool calling agent and enter a prompt in the system message. I'll include the prompt in the description below, and you can also see it on screen if you'd like to copy it. Feel free to modify and experiment with the prompt to get the best output based on your use case. That's all. We now have a daily news generator. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions about this flow, feel free to contact us or ask in the comment section below.